Welcome to part 4 of the Power Player Paradigm Challenge. Today we're talking about stage 4 of our success path, which is visibility. The mantra for this stage is, I embrace my expanded vision. Every day I play a bigger game and my career meets me there. So by the time actors are in this stage, they're auditioning regularly for higher tier projects because they have built a strong and meaningful foundation in the first 3 stages, right? So we also know how to use each booking to create career momentum, and we have marketing plans that start to feel more effortless as we execute them. And our online presence is strong and generates results for us. We're using more advanced PR strategies to promote ourselves, right? Today, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite ways to expand my visibility and reach, which is social media collaborations. So I recently did an Instagram takeover of an author's profile. Her name is Kate Northrup. She wrote 2 books that I really love. One is called Money, a Love Story, and the other one is called Do Less, a revolutionary approach to time and energy management for ambitious women. So I walked the members of the table through this process of this takeover so that they can successfully find and execute collaborations like this and get more visibility to grow their audiences, right? So we can talk more in depth about this in the program, but your action item for today is to brainstorm a list of 10 people that you might like to join forces with on social media for a collaboration of some sort, right? So think about people who have values that align with yours. Think about people whose audience right now may be slightly larger than yours, but not crazy, right? Like I'm not going to reach out to Oprah and be like, want to do a social media collaboration, right? So think about that, make your list of 10 people, and we're going to talk about how you can execute these collaborations, all right? So next time we're going to talk about stage 5, which is really where we want to live as actors. Stage 5 is freedom. So be sure to join me for that final stage of the Power Player Paradigm. I'll see you soon.